Your team already sells through WhatsApp. But as your business grows, you need more than just chats. You need campaigns, automation, AI, and better team coordination. WhatsApp Coexistence brings all of this together by connecting your existing WhatsApp business app number to the cloud API. And the best part? It is an official Meta capability. Your reps can continue having supported one-to-one conversations directly from the WhatsApp business app. At the same time, Eazybe can use the cloud API for approved campaigns, automation, CRM workflows, and seamless team collaboration. The same existing business number works with both the WhatsApp business app and the cloud API. Messages sent directly from the WhatsApp business app do not carry Meta Cloud API messaging charges. But messages sent through Eazybe are cloud API messages and remain subject to WhatsApp's pricing, template, opt-in, and customer service window rules. Eazybe adds a shared team inbox for conversations handled through the platform. Managers can assign chats, monitor pending replies, coordinate follow-ups, and work with customer information from connected CRM tools. Your team gets a structured workflow, while reps can still continue using the WhatsApp business app. Now imagine every interested customer from your Meta ads entering directly into a WhatsApp conversation. A Meta click to WhatsApp ad can send a prospect directly into a WhatsApp conversation. And an Eazybe AI agent can respond to new inquiries within WhatsApp's messaging rules, collect information, and route qualified conversations to the right team member. Getting started is simple. First, sign into Eazybe and select Continue with Facebook. Inside Meta's sign-up flow, choose the option to connect your existing WhatsApp business app number. Confirm the connection inside WhatsApp, copy the verification code, and complete the remaining Meta steps. Setup can take several minutes, and your existing phone number does not change. There are a few important changes you should know about. Coexistence does change some WhatsApp business app features. Business app broadcast lists become read-only, group chats are not synchronized, and linked devices are disconnected during onboarding. Supported devices can be linked again afterward. Eazybe campaigns use the cloud API instead of business app broadcast lists. One existing number, the WhatsApp business app for personal selling, and Eazybe with cloud API for structured team workflows, automation, campaigns, and growth. Start your Eazybe setup using the link in the description.